I have a helpful tip video. I'm working on the Jeep Liberty with the 3.7. Had to put a oil pump in it. Now I've already got the oil pump installed and the timing cover back on, but when you reinstall the oil pan, here is my helpful tip to make it go a little easier. Oh, let me get under here. Oh, no. It's hard on the old man. All right. As you can see, what I've done is you jack your engine up really high. Use a cherry picker or lift if you can, or you can just jack it up. Place a block of wood in this area here at the front. Block it up. And you can put you'll have enough room barely if you just put your bolt back in, your engine mount, and slide it all the way back, and it will rest right on the edge of this slot. And it'll be up just barely high enough so you can get the pan back in. But if you want to do it easier, you lift it up as high as possible and hang it while you're working in here. Now, my trick is, since this windage tray and pan gasket assembly bolts to the same place that the oil pump pickup tube does, place 2 or 3 oil pan screws into the gasket temporarily before you tighten these up. That way all the bolts will be lined up whenever you go to reinstall the pan. So install this loosely, shuffle this around where it needs to be, the gasket, put at least 3 bolts in there so you can triangulate it, and then you can go ahead and tighten up your oil pump pickup tube. Okay? You guys have a great day. I'm not.